Guangzhou Maidu Electronic Tech Limited was established in 2015 and is located in New Asia Building, Guangzhou. Our company has rich experience in the consumer electronics industry. The boss has been in the mobile phone battery business for 15 years, and he has a very deep understanding of the industry. We focus on the South America, North America, and European sales markets. Our main products include phone battery, pad battery, speaker battery, and battery PCB. Our associated factory covers an area of 3,936 square meters and has 102 employees, and has 20 production lines and automatic assembly lines, and focus on the production of battery PCB and assembly phone battery. Speaker battery has PCB machine, automatic cutting machine, soldering furnace, placement machine, AOI inspection machine, etc. Equipment to strictly control the product quality. Accept ODM and OEM orders to meet customer requirements. Design logo and packaging for customers. Won very good reviews in the industry. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.